Hey YouTube, we're back here with the hydrogen generators. This is our newest design basically. I have these weatherproof boxes that I'm using. Gasket built in and everything. They seem to be working well. Even with the heat they work fine, but this new design we got going here, it hasn't been heating up at all. We're using a mesh bag. We're using a mesh netting around basically stainless steel wool, and the same mixtures. This one here is working right now. It's been running for probably about 20 minutes. Very little heat, big production. We're doing about we're actually doing 355 milliliters every 3 minutes, just under 3 minutes, which is a 12 ounce bottle we're filling in just under 3 minutes.
But what we're thinking is these units are so small and so easy to stack that this thing would be easy to stack 2 or 3 into a car parallel mount.
Yes.
And that's why we're thinking that they're nice and tiny. So it'd be great for automotive.
We're running about 13 volts, you know, with the charger going, and we're pulling maybe 0.1 amps. Just barely pulling any amperage at all, which is why I think that these are going to be perfect for an automobile.
And then also, there's no plates in this. We're using stainless steel.
So this whole configuration weighs enough. You know, it's very light. As you can see, it's small and quite portable. You know, I see no reason why we couldn't put 3 or 4 of these. Would be about the equivalent weight to. Maybe 4 of them would be about the weight of a car.
And here's the production we're getting with it.
So, I mean, it's putting out pretty good for the small sizes. We started out with the plates, steel plates, and you know, I can get a lot of output out of these, but you have a lot of heat, and you know, there's a lot to it
with the bubbler
and all, and these things are pretty small. It's basically a dry cell, and
we could use the same thing,
a wet cell setup.
And we could use that as a bubbler also. So maybe 2 of these as cells and 1 as a bubbler is less than the size of a battery. And I think we can get production pushed up pretty good with it. We're going to try another setup. This one here we're trying something a little different with. We're laying it down like I said, and then there's
we have 2 hots and 1 negative, and we'll probably put another neutral in here too. But this is another setup. This one here has 3 bags. 1 bag's a hot, 1 bag's a neutral, and 1 bag's a negative. And it seems to be producing well. So we're going to do some more tests, and we'll get back to seeing back to YouTube soon, and hopefully we'll have a perfect fuel cell for your car.